Hi, my name's Darren Bridges. I'm the drafting teacher here at South Iredell High School. If you're looking for a class that you want to be free to design and create laid-back environment, drafting is definitely the class for you here at South Iredell. If you are interested, you need to take a level 1 drafting course where we learn geometric construction, learn how the software works. You'll start to learn some basic design skills and critical thinking skills to help you in the thought process of creating whatever prototype you're looking to design. Then you can go into a level 2 class, which is either engineering, which is more mechanical based, architectural, which is clearly learning the residential construction of a home or a commercial building. Both of these use a 3D software, Inventor, for the engineering portion and Revit for the architectural class. And there's also a level 3 honors class in both of those. So you can take 5 classes total. You can get credentialed in all 5 of them, so you can technically leave high school with 5 certifications that say that you are ready and efficient to work in the industry of drafting, and most people look at that as something good. So I hope that you consider taking drafting, and I look forward to seeing you.
Hey everybody, my name is Natalie Gabriel, and this is my 13th year at South Iredell. I teach sports and entertainment marketing 1 and 2, both in the honors and regular, and I also teach entrepreneurship 1, honors and regular. And I hope to have any of you in my class that you would like. They are both fun. We really tie in the real world into the classroom setting, and I think it'll be something that you will enjoy and learn a lot. So again, Miss Gabriel, take my classes. Have a great day.
Hello, my name is Miss Telling. I've been at South Iredell High School for 10 years now, teaching for 15 years. And I teach Food Nutrition 1 and Food Nutrition 2. And if you decide to take one of my courses, you'll see this wonderful new facility that we have here. It's great for hands-on labs. In Food Nutrition 1, you will learn basics about kitchen safety, sanitation, how to read a recipe, how to interpret the terminology, how to properly measure. We start with pancakes, biscuits, and then we work our way into more complex. Our last lab is typically a homemade pizza yeast crust from scratch. So we try to take course concepts and emphasize those with hands-on labs. In Food Nutrition 2, we do learn a little bit more about nutrients, and we really strive to find healthy foods that are both good for you and delicious. So I look forward to hopefully meeting you in class one day.
Hello everyone, my name is Melvin Nesbitt, also known as Coach Nesbitt. I've been at South Iredell coaching basketball for the last 4 years. This year I'm the high school varsity basketball coach, and I've been teaching here for the last 3 years. The courses I teach are personal and professional skills, where we teach kids 3 different areas such as personal development, ethics, and communication. I also teach Entrepreneurship 2 honors. It's a more in-depth class of entrepreneurship for kids that would like to go in business for themselves. Lastly, I also teach Python programming. This is a coding class. I teach Python programming 1 as well as Python programming 2. Python programming 1 is more of a basic course to teach you how to learn how to program, and Python programming 2 is a course that goes more in detail with programming and coding. So here's an example of some of our coding that we use for Python programming 1. We put the code in here on the left side, and then once we put the code in, we hit our button run code. You can hit it right now, and it makes what we call a colorful bracelet, all right? So that's just an example of what we do in our Python 1 coding class. And once you pass Python 1, you're able to go to Python 2, and that's pretty much it.
Hi, my name is Brent Reed, and I am a CTE teacher here at South Iredell. This is my 9th year teaching, all of them at South, and currently I teach AP Computer Science Principles, AP Computer Science A, IB Personal and Professional Skills, and IB Business Management. I used to coach football here, coached for 10 years, and currently I have helped start the lacrosse program here, and I am coaching the ladies lacrosse team. And excited about that. This will be the third year I'll be doing that. Little bit about the classroom. I work in a lab with desktops in addition to the MacBooks that all students have, and do a lot of work using coding, developing programs, developing apps in which you'll be able to use in order to hopefully pass the AP exams. So that's a little bit about me. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hey, I'm Miss Crawford. I am an ag teacher and FFA advisor here at South Iredell High School. I've been here for 5 years, and the courses that I currently teach are in the animal science pathways. I teach an animal science 1 class at an honors level and also at an IB level for MYP students. I teach 2 level 2 courses, one being Animal Science 2 Large, which focuses primarily on livestock animals. And I also teach an Animal Science 2 Small class, which is all about small companion type animals, and also touches base on some vet things, which leads me to my 3rd level class, which is my vet assisting class. And in this vet assisting class, students get the opportunity to get certified to be a vet tech assistant and get to work with one of our coordinators to do an internship at a local vet's office. So they get over 300 hours in training and learn how to do things like take shots and work with other patients. But we're excited about these programs because they're all very hands-on. We have animals in the classroom, animals outside, and then we also have a really up and growing FA program that we would love for you guys to join and learn more about. We do a lot of community service activities, contests. So, but that's just a little bit about our program, and I would love to have you.
Hi, this is Yvette Shelter. I am teaching here at South Iredell. This is my 2nd year here. I'm a family consumer sciences teacher. I currently teach foods. I've taught child development, and I'm also currently teaching career management. We are hoping to add some courses in, like teaching as a profession, counseling and mental health course as well, and principles of human services. So each course involves hands-on participation, student interaction. Foods obviously focuses on eating healthy and nutrition. Child development works with parenting and concerns with raising children and things to look for as they develop. And career management is focusing in on careers and identifying your choices as a teenager and growing up into what you want to do in the future. And then our new course is teaching as a profession, is helping getting us ready to train as a teacher and start hopefully at a different pace when you go into a community college. Counseling and mental health is looking at the roles and responsibilities of being a counselor and learning what is involved with counseling. And then Principles of Human Services is kind of a general course that looks at all the aspects of family consumer sciences so that you can have choices and figure out which way you want to go in terms of a career path.
Hi, my name is Ms. Tipton, and I have been teaching for a little over 6 years, and I've been at South Iredell High School for a year. And I teach in the Family and Consumer Sciences department here. I teach interior design 1 and 2. So if you're interested in design, making your house look pretty, designing your room to be exactly that perfect spot for you, then that might be one of the classes for you. I also teach child development, and that's the class where you get to take the baby simulator home, and everyone loves that. And I also teach marketing, career management, and I taught project management, which are all classes that fall under either career exploration or one of the business classes. And in those classes, it's marketing. It's all about deciding, how you're influenced by marketing and how the marketing world works and some careers. Project management is about the project management field and how that works in the business field today. And career management is just a great way for you to explore what your strengths and weaknesses are so that you might find a career path of interest.
Hi, my name is Paige Fox. I'm the health science teacher here at South Iredale. I have been teaching with Iredale Statesville Schools for 12 years. I'm the HOSA advisor also here at South. The classes I teach are Foundations of Health Science 1, and Health Science 2. Foundations is a class that teaches the basic parts of health occupations. We go through careers, we go through medical terminology, we go through the history of medicine. Now, Health Science 1 is a basic class that talks about the anatomy and physiology of the body systems. Once you pass that class, you can take the Health Science 2 class, which talks about employability, goes through legal and ethical responsibilities of a healthcare worker. It goes through CPR. We teach vital signs and some other skills. Once you take that, pass it, and apply to take nursing fundamentals over at our career center, you can go over there, take that 2-block course, and become a CNA. I thank you. Look forward to having you in my class.
All right, hi everybody. I'm Philip Scafidi. I've been at South now, I think this is year 9, 8, somewhere in that range. I've taught accounting in the past. Currently I teach principles of business and finance, as well as our DP business course that we offer here at South. So if you're interested in accounting, certainly sign up and perhaps I will see you then. And if you're interested in principles of business or potentially taking that DP class as a junior, I might see you then as well. So have a great day.
Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Gant from South Iredale High School. I'm an FFA advisor here, and I teach animal science, agricultural mechanics, and horticulture. In horticulture, we do a lot of work in the greenhouse. In ag mechanics, we work in the shop, either welding or doing some woodworking or working on equipment. And in animal science, we'll work hands-on at the land lab at our barn with some livestock, or maybe we'll bring in some small animals and discuss those in the lab.
Hello, my name is Bruce McCartney. I'm a CTE teacher here at South Iredale High School. I've been here a total of 6 months. This is my 2nd semester. The classes I teach are Network Security, Computer Science 1, Technology, Engineering, and Design 1 and 2, as well as Engineering Design, and anything else you need. So for the computer classes, Network Security is mostly about the issues that deal with the overall, things like malware, viruses, how they get into your computer, how do you treat them, how do you prevent those things, and then the competitiveness of, the bad people versus the good people, and trying to just stay above them and make sure that our computers work safe and accurately. Computer science looks at the history and evolution of things like the binary code and how that transforms just from an on and off, an I or a 1 or a 0, into everything we have today in our video games and more. The tech engineering and design classes, generally we look at hands-on projects that we look at different principles of physics as well as some of the math and try to overcome problems that I put in front of you and try to have to solve. Things like right now we're working on boats. How do boats actually work? How can an aircraft carrier float? The size they are. Look at the chemistry and again physics of different things. And again, a lot of hands-on stuff. We also look at some bioengineering stuff. We look at plants, farming. We look at physical engineering. We try to launch paper, things like that, make devices that just overcome a problem that we need to solve. So ultimately, the classes are generally hands-on, very in-depth, and hopefully a lot of fun for a lot of people. So I look forward to having you in class in the near future.